Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to change iPhone pattern lock. Here are the steps to change your iPhone pattern lock. Apple calls it a passcode, not a pattern like Android. But this shows how to change your lock code. First, unlock your iPhone, open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap Face ID in passcode or Touch ID in passcode on older models. Enter your current passcode to proceed. Scroll down and tap Change Passcode. Enter your old passcode again when prompted. Now enter your new passcode. If you want a different type of passcode, tap Passcode Options. Choose from options like 4-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or custom alphanumeric code. Enter your chosen new passcode. Re-enter the new passcode to confirm. Wait a moment for your iPhone to save the new passcode. After it's accepted, you'll be taken back to the Face ID and passcode menu. Lock your phone and unlock it to test the new passcode. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.